Saturday morning, early morning, I'm out going on a little trip north of Belgrade. I got another one. Say hello.
Sure.
He was 15 when I left in 1986. Now look at it. Look at his big head now. So when Godfather calls, they always jump, you know, give me a ride. Next stop, I had to rent a car and then make a little drive. Ajde.
Ja kažem, i sad šta ću? Ili da se vratimo, ali ako se vratimo ne stižemo u 11 tamo na sastav. I ne znam šta je tražio, ova mu pročita, on upiše i kaže, pa znate šta, ja ću da vas pustim, ali ne verujem da će Bosanci. I vadim 3 lične karte. 3? Pa, ne, jer vi imate, daje srpski pasoš. I ona kaže, gospodine, jer vi imate neki drugi dokument?
This location is at the airport. You can get rent a car here, several companies, but also Hertz, that everybody knows about it. They're everywhere. So once we get the rent a car, hitting north. I'm at the airport, got a car. It's a Toyota Corolla, black one. And we're ready for a trip. Serbian flag. This is Serbian gang symbol, 3 fingers. And we're on the road. Driver, also one of my old Boy Scouts. He was, since he was 10 years old, for several years. Currently he lives in Italy, made a life over there. And now he's visiting just because he heard I'm back, so he came to hang out. And
in 600 meters, keep left.
So we're gonna visit our, also from his generation, one of the Boy Scouts. He had a cottage somewhere, and today he's busy making moonshine, Serbian brandy, different like apricot and plums and whatever he has there. So that we're gonna witness that, and maybe from the fumes get dizzy.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
And the road is nice, relatively new, divided highway, and there's a toll we have to pay, but it's not much. And the landscape around here, you can see everything is flat. This is north of Danube River towards Hungarian border, and it's all flat for miles. Good land for agriculture, and you can see it, just fields, corn, wheat and stuff.
Exit toward Sremski Karlovci.
So we're paying toll. It was 90 dinars, which is close to $1, but $1 for maybe 15 miles, not more.
Evo ga kod krsta, vidi koliko je krst. To nije bilo, vidiš, ovdje ima kod krsta nešto se kupi. Narodno nošnje i to. I sad je on rekao 800 metara desno ima vinarija. S desne strane.
These hills are called Fruška Gora, and it's really nice green, and there are several monasteries here in the area. But it's a tight road. These are just cottages here that people come for weekend.
Evo viš, ovo je prazan. Ovo je za...
And this area is known for wineries. A lot of vineyards around here. And monasteries. Wherever is monastery, there's a good wine. That's the rule.
Da bude ovaj objekat.
Sad ćete da probate našu dunju.
This is really nice with these hills.
Da je na, ona pa je ovo stavila sebi.
This is welcoming committee, 3 dogs.
Da leži na... To je kad smo brali. Evo, probajte, to su ti grozdovi.
So we're gonna have a choice here. This is brandy of, made of quince, or we have cherry. And there's a grapes that also they made moonshine called loza in Serbian.
Evo vam trešnja za početak. Ona je, znači, ovogodišnja, još se nije opasulila da je rakija.
So we have cherry.
A onda ćemo posle dunju.
Nemoj kiselu vodu, ja običnu.
Obično.
Ajde, doktore. Ajde. Živjeli u zdravlju.
Ajde, živjeli i dobrodošli.
Živjeli. Živjeli. Cherry, brandy. But it's not your some cherry liquor. This is strong stuff.
Den je otišao u 8 da
And tradition with brandy, little appetizer here. We have some smoked meat, couple kinds of cheese, olives, and another shot. This is now cherry. This sign on the glass says in Serbian means medicine, like it's something for cure.
To je slatko, kiselo, čak malo i ljutko.
Doktore, ajde, dottore. My buddy lives in Italy, so we had to speak Italian for him. Salut, dottore.
Absolut.
Apple. This is brandy, Serbian brandy made of apples. Any kind of fruit, we can make it. Živeli.
2 nedelje stajao kao komina.
Okay, and that little container, it's not that little. The new, freshly made brandy made out of grapes. We call that in Serbian loza. So we're gonna taste it now. It's brand new. Ajde. Živeli. It's clear.
Ne.
Živeli.
Mislim, ono je dole, septička jama, za alat ima rezervna već se šolja. Ne idemo tamo na gore.
Clears your sinuses. It's good stuff. So what do we have here? 6 sacks of quince. They're grinding it now, and that's gonna go tomorrow into, oh, here are sacks of, and then it's gonna turn into brandy, alcohol. So tomorrow they add some enzymes and yeast and then whatever they do to make it into brandy. And here's the so-called wine cellar, but actually it's so it's gonna sit there. It smells.
Već su krenule vinske mušice.
Yeah. Fruit flies. And we enter the town Sremski Karlovci. It's old Serbian town in this part that was usually occupied by Austrian-Hungarian Empire till the end of the First World War.
Vaš desmo, ovo je vinska kuća Kovačević.
On pravi vino.
Po kapacitetu najjači vinar u Srbiji.
Yeah. So, Winery Kovačević, one of the biggest in Serbia. Nice restaurant, nice location in the nature. Nice garden, but we got seats inside. And Serbian Orthodox
Evo ti krempica, mlekonka.
Oh,
Da ti ne slučamo nazad.
Znate šta, daćete nam pomalo, znači, daćete nam ove koze sireve, ako ima. Daćete nam ovaj mus koze sireve, patke. A nemate,
so this is a bottle of wines. This 2,500 Serbian dinars, that's like $25, $15, $45. So you can see the most expensive bottle is $45. That's affordable for Americans. For Serbian people, not that much affordable. So let's say average $15, $20 bottle of wine. Breakfast menu.
Dugačak skoro 60 km. Znači vi ste sad isključili, znači ovo što je to, da ideš tim puta imaš još 50 km.
Soup.
Samo pravo, mi smo krenuli dole leveći, da nastaviš pravo i izbiješ na Hrvatsku, na ovaj dio.
Da, ovo nema.
Wellington steak, $95.
Daćete tanjirovu kozu, patke nema, ja?
And she's ordering for us. She knows what's good here. Ajde, živeli,
Pošto nema ovo.
živeli. And this beautiful smile, that's another of from my Boy Scout troop, because in Serbia we have boys and girls together. She was 16 when I left, and then she took over after me and successfully led the kids in troop. My favorite. We finished lunch. It was great and huge portions. And now we're gonna go back, have a bottle of wine, coffee, and call it a day. This area here, it's a national park, Fruška Gora. It's great for spending the weekend, being in the nature. Everything is green, little hills, restaurants, wineries. It's Serbian Napa Valley. It's really good.
Vino, med i sve stvari.
Yeah. This area has some like 15 monasteries. This is the main one in the area. So we're back at the ranch, and now we have desserts, coffee, special wine.
Evo vino.
Oh,
Onda ovo ostavljam.
special local wine.
To je odličan
A ovo
Sauvignon.
Škot pravi na Fruške gore. MC.
Oh, and that's MC, made by some Scottish guy who lives here in the area.
Alči! Vidi ovoga, gdje ste krenuli?
Otišao da nervira Cezara. Dođi vam. Vidite sve ovo.
And we're finishing night in the center of town, Sremski Karlovci. There's music, one more beer, and then hit the bed. Good night.
Čin, čin.
Živeli!
Živjeli.